In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the time you've spent on Facebook. Whether you're just curious about your social media habits or looking to cut back on screen time, knowing exactly how much time you spend on Facebook can be quite enlightening. Let's dive right in and explore how you can monitor this on your own account. First things first, you'll need to open Facebook. You can do this on any device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Once you have Facebook open and are logged into your account, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select Settings and Privacy. Clicking on this will reveal a few more options, one of which is called the Activity Log. Now, if you're on the mobile app, this might look a little different, but the option should still be there under the same section. So go ahead and click on Activity Log. Now, this is where things can get a bit tricky depending on your region or even the version of Facebook you're using. Ideally, you should see an option here labeled Time Spent on Facebook. This feature is designed to show you a breakdown of how much time you've been spending on the platform daily and weekly. It's a nifty tool for tracking your usage. However, it's important to note that in some regions or specific updates of the Facebook app, this option might not be available. If you don't see it, don't worry, it's not just you. Facebook occasionally rolls out different features in different regions, and sometimes they decide to remove them altogether. If you are one of the lucky ones who do have access to this feature, clicking on it will give you a detailed view of your time spent on Facebook. You can see how much time you've spent on the app over the past week, and it even allows you to set reminders for when you've reached a self-imposed limit. If you don't see the feature, you might consider using third-party apps or your device's built-in screen time tracking features to monitor your Facebook usage. Most smartphones today offer comprehensive screen time tracking tools that can help you manage and understand your overall social media habits. And there you have it, a simple way to keep tabs on how much time you're spending on Facebook. This knowledge can be really useful, especially if you're trying to be more mindful about your time on social media. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you become more aware of your digital habits.